Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to check tire manufacturer date. To check tire manufacturer date, take a look at the tire. Right here on each tire you will find 4 numbers in the circle. First two numbers indicate week of the year of the production. In this case is 23rd week, and the second two numbers indicate year of production. In this case, this tire was manufactured in 23rd week of 2025. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.